What? What? Blah. Blah, blah. Hello, and welcome to another episode of Cookin Time. My name is Jake Boyd, and I am the Adult Programming Librarian at Sterling Municipal Library. And today we are following the trends. So I'm not sure if any of you have heard of a little show on Netflix called Squid Game, but it's sort of taken the internet by storm in these last few weeks. And I scrolled across a recipe on New York Times Cooking by Genevieve Ko, and I realized, oh, we have a book by her. Now, the candy that I'm making, if you've watched the show, you're perfectly familiar with it. It's Dalgona Candy or popki. And basically all it is caramel. So all I'm really gonna be showing today is how to dry cooked caramel, which sounds intimidating, and it does burn, but only if you don't pay attention to it. So as long as you pay close attention and have everything ready. Today is all about mise en place. Mise en place is a concept in cooking where basically we just have everything ready in front of us as if we were doing a cooking show. So we're gonna get all that ready. What I've got here is about 3 tablespoons of sugar. Her method that she has in the Times Cooking recipe has you doing it in a metal ladle, but I'm gonna do her alternative method, which is in a small saucepan. And all you wanna do to start cooking this and making it into caramel is get it into as even a layer as possible. Then we're gonna put it over medium-low heat. That should be perfect, okay? And then note what we have ready here. So all you're gonna need, the only ingredients are the sugar and a little bit of baking soda. So I have about 1/8 of a teaspoon of baking soda to go with these 3 tablespoons of sugar. Everything else we have ready, I have a piece of parchment paper, which you'll need for the stamping process. And then if you'll notice, I have a little bit of Pam just sprayed on the top layer right there. That's so it doesn't stick because caramel is extremely sticky. So basically all we do now is we just wait because this is gonna turn slowly into a clear liquid. Once it gets to about a golden stage, and I'll show you what that looks like, we're gonna wanna add the baking soda, stir vigorously, and then we'll have candy ready, okay? Oh, and you'll also notice over here, I have a pot of water getting ready to boil. That is for, if you wanna make multiples of these, then you gotta have some hot water ready because caramel just sticks like crazy, and you should use a metal saucepan for it, not nonstick. Okay, if you'll look, we're about 5 minutes in. We're starting to get some melting of those sugar crystals. All right, now they're definitely melting. We can go ahead, just kind of move it around a little bit, make sure we don't have any big clumps in there. It's still granular right now. Eventually it will go completely clear, and that's when we're actually starting the cooking of the caramel. There, I'm just kind of trying to stop any big old lumps from forming. Okay, we don't want to go too far past golden, and that's where I am. So the next parts we got to do very quickly because sugar tends to set very quickly. Okay, we're gonna have a big old reaction as soon as we mix this in. Yeah, okay. Starting to get that honeycomb color. Okay, perfect. And now we pour this onto our prepared sheet. Come on. There we go. Okay, perfect. It'll start setting very quickly. Now I fold this over. Then I take my skillet I've got here and stamp her so that it's nice and flat. Pull it back. And then, oh, I don't know if my word is quite big enough. That's okay. Okay, perfect. All right. And there, I have a prepared Wordbird Dalgona Candy. And this will set very, very quickly. I'm gonna go ahead for cleaning purposes. I'm gonna take some of this boiling water and pull it in there. But that is how you do it. And if you want to repeat the process, it's super easy and doesn't require very many ingredients. All right, I've got my pin. I'm gonna be busy for the next little bit, but I hope you will join us next time for another episode of Cookin' Time. Thank you so much for watching.